Good morning, Adebola. Sorry the video is coming a little bit late. I just wanted to show you how I upload stuff on GitHub. So I'll start off by going into the website github.com. I'm already signed in, so I don't have to put in my details to sign into the website because I'm using my computer. So now I have a few things on my repository. If you look on the left side of my screen here, I have 5 things that I've uploaded so far. And these things are easier projects because most of these projects were created in Power BI, just one SQL. I have nothing from Python or any other um, programming language, right? Because most people on GitHub, they usually post complicated stuff, codes, and the entire process, how they did stuff. But I'll show you an easier, how to upload something less complicated, like a Power BI file. So I go to recent repositories on the left side here. I click on new, which means I'm adding a new repository. Well, repository is their fancy word for projects that you've created. So repository name, I will call it that Power BI was I was playing with a project on different players and their stats in the National Hockey League, NHL. So I'll just call this NHL players stats. I'll put underscore in between. NHL underscore players underscore stats 2021 underscore 2022 season. Anyways, I'll leave it like that. Description, I'll come back to put this later, or I'll just put a few things. This file showcases say this visualization file showcases the goals, assists, and points of NHL players in 2021/2022 season. All right. I'll click on public to make sure anybody can click on that file and view all the details. And also it gives them an opportunity to download your files from your computer. I guess that's how it works on GitHub. So click on public, initialize this repository with, I'm just gonna leave these ones because I am not too skilled. I'm still on the beginner's level. But when you click on add a README file, that is usually a file that contains the codes and stuff like that. If you used Python language or JavaScript, HTML, whatever, that's where you put in your README files. So I'll click on create repository because I ignored the rest of these options. Now, after clicking on create repository, so I will use uploading an existing file because it already exists on my computer. And then it says drag files here or add them to your repository. Let me just click manually to get it done. Here is where I have the photo. This is just a screenshot, so I'm not going to use the screenshot. I'm going to use the actual raw data. My raw data is stored in my desktop. Data analysis, Power BI, NHL file. So I double click and it's uploaded. So anybody that comes to my GitHub page, has the opportunity to click on this file and view the raw data. It creates a link. Basically, this link allows them to download the raw file from my computer. I might be wrong, but I think that's what it means. Because I'm also thinking if people, the general public, has access to your computer, then they might also have the ability to pass malware on your computer. Maybe I'm wrong, but commit changes, processing your file. This may take a few minutes to complete. And it's done. So a random person coming from the outside, I come into my page. My page is Braveheart for Life, right? I go into my profile. This is me, blah, blah, blah. Let's say I want to go into my repositories, someone from the outside. So you click here. This is the repository that I just put in, right? I click on the tab, on the link. It brings me here. I click on this link, and this link brings a download option. View raw data. Let me click on view raw. See what happens. See, it downloads that file. So that's exactly how it works. When you click on view raw, it actually downloads that file and puts it on your computer. So I'll delete this because I already have it. So that's how I have been using the repository on a low level, but I mean, when we get to the advanced levels, using codes, uploading codes and how we create stuff, then we can do that as well. So thank you very much. I hope the video was